Hi everyone, welcome to quiz time. Let's get started. Question number 1. They dash going shopping. Option B or they are going shopping. For you, we, they in the present tense we use or. Question number 2. She dash sleeping. Option A is she is sleeping. For he, she, it in the present tense we use is. Question number 3. It dash raining yesterday. Option C was. It was raining yesterday. For I, he, she, it in the past tense we use was. Question number 4. We dash at the restaurant last night. Option A were. We were at the restaurant last night. For you, we, they in the past tense we use were. Question number 5. He dash good at maths in childhood. Option C was. He was good at maths in childhood. Question number 6. It dash very funny. Option B is. It is very funny. Question number 7. You dash good at teaching now. Option C or you are good at teaching now. Question number 8. You dash a naughty boy in your school days. Option A where you were a naughty boy in your school days. Question number 9. If he dash a plant, he would grow taller. Option A where if he were a plant, he would grow taller. Here we are talking about an unreal situation, so we use were instead of was. Question number 10. He dash a knowledgeable person. Option B is he is a knowledgeable person. Question number 11. I dash very angry last night. Option C was I was very angry last night. Question number 12. If they dash stars, they would shine every night. Option C where if they were stars, they would shine every night. This is an unreal situation, so we use were. Question number 13. We dash about to leave now. Option A or we are about to leave now. Question number 14. She dash at the library when I came. Option B was. She was at the library when I came. Since came is in the past tense, so we use was to match the past tense. Question number 15. I dash fine now. Option C. I am fine now. For I, we use am in the present tense.